So I'm gonna be making chicken tacos, or they're like chicken Mediterranean tacos. So all you're gonna need is some grilled chicken, which I already cooked up, some naan bread, and then a red onion, an avocado, a cucumber, tomato, and a lime. And then the only seasoning we're gonna be using is pink Himalayan sea salt and black pepper. So next you're just gonna wanna squeeze lime over it, over the top. Then you're gonna add some pink Himalayan sea salt. And then just some regular black pepper. Then you're just gonna wanna mix it all around so that everything's evenly distributed. Then just put the mixture in the fridge for about 30 minutes. I'm just gonna let this heat up for like a few minutes, probably 2 minutes on each side. I'm just gonna cut it in like squares like that, and then I'll scrape it out with a spoon and put it on top of the tacos. All right, for the last bit, I'm just gonna put the chicken on top. And then you're just gonna add some of the mix that we made. And then we're just gonna add some of the avocado on there. And then just a little bit of salt and pepper. And that is your finished taco. It's like a huge taco, but you know.
Baby girl therapy, ooh, I need her. Hold it down, baby, I won't ever leave her. Ay, when people do you dirty, gotta clean